step into a world of intricate patterns and vibrant colors. Each mandala is a journey of creativity, balance, and harmony. Let art speak to your soul. Finalizing the center of a mandala can sometimes be challenging. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create beautiful center patterns using a worksheet. You'll find a few ideas to inspire your designs. First, we'll erase the intricate radial lines inside the innermost circle to make space for our center pattern. Let's begin. Now, let's draw 2 or 4 diameter lines inside this circle, just like you see in the video. These lines will help us structure the center pattern with balance and symmetry. For drawing the 3rd and 4th line, I am taking a place in between the 4th and 5th lines here. Now let's draw one more small circle inside this circle. Next, we'll use a pencil to sketch our center patterns. Since pencil lines might not be clearly visible, I'm fast-forwarding this part. You'll see the details more clearly when I go over them with a pen. Now I'm using a black fine liner. Hope it's clear for you to see the details taking shape. Filling certain areas with black adds depth and contrast, making the pattern stand out beautifully. Now let's explore a few more center patterns you can use while practicing on this worksheet. Video link in the description.